The whole career I had at Eli Lilly, they lied to us and told us, you need to tell the clinician that the weight gain is because these people went from not being hungry, being manically depressed, being inactive, to all of a sudden they're up and about, they're eating again, their hunger's coming back, they're living again. That's why they're hungry. They're living again. And then you hear the presentations of the Sackler family and how they convinced doctors that patients weren't getting addicted to opioids. Patients were experiencing breakthrough pain. How dare you question that patient and make them feel attacked for seeking higher dosages and more opioids? But the truth was, it was all being swept under the rug. And this has happened repeatedly over and over again throughout history with pharmaceutical companies. And that's where I look at it and I go, I mean, we could go back. I broke this down for Joe and I go, but let's go back to like World War II. During World War II, Bayer, a major pharmaceutical company, Bayer, literally worked with the Third Reich to test their drugs on Jewish women and children.
And killed them all, right?
And they killed them all. 150-something people died during the clinical trial. And this is the history of Bayer. And then you go, well, that was World War II, right? It got better. In the 80s, they suppressed HIV medications and their accessibility to the people of Africa. They sued compounding pharmacies for trying to compound and make a drug that Big Pharma was charging $14,000 a month for that nobody in Africa could afford. Compounding pharmacies attempted to compound it and wholesalers to provide it for literally $100-something a year. And it could have helped save thousands and thousands of lives. But Big Pharma sued everyone involved in an attempt to shut it down because they were so worried about competition. But it's like, who are you competing against? The people are dying. Like, there's no way to help them. They can't afford $14,000 a year for a drug that shouldn't be costing them $14,000 a year.